wow. Thank you so much to D. Smith, Battlemaster Dave. You just gave $50. Lebanon Ford Performance is offering a base Mustang GT with the Hellion twin turbos for $39,995
Wow.
installed.
Wow. Wow. I have to do that's just exaggerating.
Wow.
Wow. Dude, like for
Do
real,
it.
if
Go
you
for it.
that
Do it.
Lebanon, what Lebanon?
Lebanon Performance.
Where is that? Is that
Ohio?
Yeah. Base Mustang GT with the hell. Oh my god.
Do it. I'm a little butthurt, by the way, that I got my car soon. Well, I mean, I wouldn't be here if I did, but people like the gentleman who just donated in the super chat, let me say his name because he gave the most so far. I apologize.
D. Smith.
Battlemaster Dave. Do it, bro. I think you have a Focus ST or RS in your thumbnail. I bought the 2018 Mustang when it first came out. Coming up on a year ago, November 2017. If you're one of the people that waited for people like Lebanon Performance who offer it with a warranty, by the way, they have Roush, Hellion Turbo, and Whipple.
Hellion, dude, 40 grand.
Well, it's the base car is 40 grand.
So what?
Then you throw on the modification. No, I just want to make sure I'm giving the right information because people will come back. Yeah.
Well, it doesn't have the heated and cooled seats.
You can get a fully modified,
What's it, another 10 or 20 grand then?
Basically, you can get an 800 horsepower car from the dealership for about $65,000.
Well, twin turbos. Now, obviously, they're going to probably be
There's a
conservative. There's going to be
There's
conservative.
going to be conservative because you're dealing with
a
warranty and different variables.
But after, if you feel as if you don't need that warranty anymore, you just dial up the boost.
We did a review on one of those cars on the channel. It was like a Roush version, and he's already modified it. Yeah. You can't change the tune. He's already gone the tune.
He changed the tune.
This is inevitable because you always want more. But
that's so cost of like 40 grand with like that's an amazing. If that's legit,
it is.
That's something I'm.
Why not?
Why not? Who cares about the warranty at $40,000 car?
You can get a whole motor in there for 10 grand.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why it's a great time to be a Mustang fan. Keep telling people.
What's up?
Installed.
Wow. I have to do that's just exaggerating.
Wow.